This is what a typical carbon monoxide detector could look like. You've got your test and your reset button right over here. Now, it's recommended you mount this in places where you'll be able to hear it easily, like bedrooms or common living spaces. But carbon monoxide doesn't give too many warning signs, and simply having this device could save your life. It's something that can sneak up on you.
You don't even know when it's permeating throughout your living space.
And doesn't give you much of a heads up.
You can't taste it, you can't smell it, and there's just nothing you can do to reverse it.
As people start to warm up their homes, experts warn about the effects of carbon monoxide.
If a person has their vehicle in the garage and they close the garage door and keep it running, that's a perfect opportunity for carbon monoxide to show up, using the stove and the oven and even a generator.
Anything that burns fuel can create carbon monoxide, but what about electric appliances?
Anything electric's not going to produce carbon monoxide, but pretty much all furnaces and water heaters are fuel burning.
And while a detector is one of the only ways to warn of the gas, other symptoms can pop up.
Headache, dizziness, maybe a little bit of fatigue or confusion. Maybe some nausea or even vomiting, lethargy, or loss of consciousness.
But some don't wake up, which is why it's important to educate everyone in your home, especially young children.
If you don't feel well or if something's not right, make sure they are letting an adult know. And they also know where the exits are in the house.
Get out and call 911 to make sure the situation doesn't have permanent consequences.
Any type of incident we respond to is probably that individual's worst day. And so, we don't want to see people go through that experience.
Now, it's recommended that you test these monthly. Now, if you live in an apartment and are unsure of how up-to-date the detectors are, make sure to reach out to your landlord as we head into these colder months. In Salt Lake City, Carolina Hassett, Fox 13 News, Utah.